Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious drumstick soup. First, gather your fresh drumsticks and other essential ingredients. We will then walk through the preparation, cooking, and finishing touches. This guide will help you create a warm, comforting, and incredibly healthy soup that's perfect for any time of year. Get ready to enjoy a truly satisfying culinary experience. For our drumstick soup, you will need about 4 to 5 fresh drumsticks, each around 6 inches long. Also, have 1 cup of split pigeon peas or red lentils ready. Finely chop 1 large onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 2 green chilies. Don't forget 1 tablespoon each of fresh ginger and garlic paste. These foundational ingredients are crucial for building the soup's robust flavor profile. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot. Sauté the chopped onions until they turn a lovely golden brown. Next, add the ginger garlic paste, green chilies, and tomatoes, cooking until they soften. Stir in 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili powder, and cumin. Finally, add the drumsticks, lentils, and 4 cups of water, then simmer for about 20 minutes until tender. Once the drumsticks are tender and the lentils are fully cooked, it's time for the finishing touches. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt as needed, and stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala for an extra layer of warmth. Garnish your beautiful soup generously with 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro. Serve this hot, aromatic drumstick soup immediately for a truly comforting and nourishing meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.